Been 2 weeks since I've been outside, more or less. I haven't been. My arm's feeling better. It's like a little update here in my arm, more or less, my shoulder. I don't have it in my sling anymore. It feels better when it's out of there, but I still don't have. I got more mobility with it now than I did. But it's feeling better. But just thought I'd get on here and let everybody know that I'm doing all right. I'm hanging in there. Been seeing some deer down here in the woods and the fields. Got some video here yesterday, I think it was. There was one down here in the field running around. Two of them or so, I don't know, I forget. But get some snow here in about an hour. But anyway, between the last time I made a video until now, right here underneath this big old tree, as you can see, there's a pile of acorns. There's acorns everywhere on the ground here. But I think it was last Tuesday when it snowed. 2 Tuesdays ago it snowed here. The moon was out brighter than what can be that night. And it was really, really bright. Must have been 11 o'clock, but there was probably 11 deer standing right here in this spot underneath this tree. Couldn't see what they were, but so I got a camera. I stuck up here on my clothesline pole. Been checking it. Seen a buck on there, a little 4-point on it so far. But that's about it. It's been a couple of days. Mom decided to help him out a little bit, I guess. Being there was snow on the ground, she put a couple ears of corn out here for him, which is cool. I got no problem with that. I don't care. I ain't feeding them to kill them. Chickens, I ain't seen them in a couple of days. Looks like they're doing okay. I might as well just walk down here to my other camera since I'm out walking. I might just take this camera down here. I don't know what's happening. Archery season's back in here after Christmas. I think it's the 26th, the day after, yeah. Comes in. So, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm going to feel alright to go, but out archery hunting or not. If I do, I'm bringing a stand down here, or blind. I'm going to set it down here, somewhere along the edge of them woods. I'm going to set it up, put my heater in there, and see what happens. But yeah, last couple of Tuesdays ago we got this little bit of snow here. As you can see, still hanging in. It's 3 o'clock here on a Friday, or on Saturday. And it's supposed to start snowing here again around 4 o'clock. So I don't think we're supposed to get that much. Just a skiff, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. Well, we'll see what's on this card here. I might just take this camera down, 'cause I know what's going on down here, so I'll just take this camera down maybe and take it back home. Maybe we'll take it out. I got another one out in the far woods to get, so we'll probably end up going and getting it maybe tomorrow. Yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll go get that one. I just don't feel like walking out there with this right now. Anyway, that's what I'm up to. Hopefully I get back out here after Christmas. I guess antlerless rifle season, extended rifle season, comes back in the 3rd of January, just for antlerless only, and special in some WMUs. Of course, the one I'm in, it's not open, so will be none of that. For me, I guess, shooting any deer or does. But I might go out there and do the archery thing. I don't know yet. Like I said, it all depends on how I feel. Right now, I'm just not. I don't think I'm up to that. Going out there and sitting for hours. Right now, it's uncomfortable standing and walking right now with this shoulder. So I feel a lot better when I'm just sitting with it resting. Sure is a gloomy looking day out though. Well, anyway, that's what we're up to. And I'm not ready to give up hunting yet, but I don't have much of a choice. Whatever's on my camera cards here, I'll load up and let you see what's on them. And get an idea of what's going on around here. Get in there, chickens. Put these guys, lock these guys up for the day. Yep, they're in. Unless the eggs are frozen. You have to put them out, they thaw out. But yeah, them deer up here eating these acorns like crazy. I've never seen them up here eating these before, but there's enough of them here. They're more than welcome to them. So I'm going to get back in here and put the log on the fire and kick back for a while and relax. Wait for the snow to come. So, hey, it was nice seeing you again. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see what I can do here about getting out and hunting for you. And, because we need some meat in the freezer. Yeah. All right. Later, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hey, everybody. Again. Well, I'm down here at my third camera. Down here to retrieve it. See what was on it. It's let's see, it's Wednesday, 16th, I think, December. I don't know. I don't care too much about dates anymore. But I think that's what it is. But I came down here, I set a camera up down here, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks ago. On a scrape that's laying down here. It's down here. Yeah. There. I put a camera on that to see what was coming by. So I'm going to take it off and see what's on it, I guess, if anything. Alrighty, that's retrieved. Last camera I had out, so thinking about what I'm going to do here archery season. I think this is where I'm gonna, if my shoulder gets better, this is where I want to put a blind up. I want to stick a blind up on this area because I think they're following this path. I know they are. They always do. They always do. out at all rifle season because of my shoulder. That really irritated me, but crap happens. That's the way it goes when you're not careful, I guess. Anyway, we'll get up here and get these pictures off and see what's on them, and if there's anything significant, we'll surely show you. So we probably won't see you till archery season. All right, we'll get back at you.